Hello everyone, this is Plabani. I'm back with the new video. This is the most requested video. So people have been asking me to demonstrate how they can do a joinings using Pandas framework. In manually we write some joins query. We do the right join, left join, inner join, all this. Now, how we can automate these scripts in Pandas to improvise our ETL automation testing or the data validations. That is what we are going to talk about. So as we know, everyone, we have different type of joins in SQL. We have inner join, left join, right join, right? Full outer join. So there are the different type of joins. Now we are going to automate this process today. So suppose I have a different set of data sets. Now this is a source and this is a target. I have already communicated everyone how to upload the files. It is already present in my previous videos. So if you see in my previous videos, I have already explained all these concepts, why ETL automation testing is important, why ETL automation is important, how to use Collab editor, how to upload files in Collab. So all this already has been taught in my previous video. Now today we are going to talk about this joins. So you have, if you have files, you just upload the file here through this queue option. You can upload your all the files here, and then in Panda you have to first import the Pandas SPD. Panda is the library. If you are first time running the Panda or working on the Panda, you have to use pip install Panda. This is the command, pip install Pandas. Okay, this is the command. If you are working on first time in Panda, you have to do this one. Now import Pandas as PD. PD is the alias name. Now whatever files you have uploaded here, you will be read the file by using the command read underscore CSV, which is coming from the Pandas library. Now I'm just printing the file. So you can just print the file here. So my file name here is, I have given this one as an employee and this one I have given as a salary. So 2 data frame file, and I'm just printing it. Now, if you wanted to do the inner join, how we can do the inner join? You should have a common column between 2 tables, which everyone know who is working on the ETL testing. We know how to write the SQL query. So whenever we wanted to do any inner join, first step is we have to be knowing about the common columns. What is the common column here? Employee ID is my common column, and this is 2 data frame, and I am doing the inner join of it. So employee and salary, employee and salary, 2 data frame, common columns, employee ID, how to join, you are putting inner join and print inner. What is the left outer join? I wanted to take the common columns and all the extra record from the left table. I am taking the employee, salary, common on the employee ID, and you will be writing how I wanted to do that left. Similar way, if you wanted to do the right join, where you wanted to take the common columns between 2 tables and extra from the right table, what we will do, we will take the data frame, we will take the common column, and then we will take how right. So this is the way you will able to do the join. Same way outer, like full outer join, you will be just using the same command, and you will be using outer command here. Okay. And once I execute this script, you can see it is printing the files first, because I wanted to print both the data frame, like data frame 1 and data frame 2. Then you can see here what is the extra record and what is. So in the left outer inner join, if you see, these are the common records. Okay. So if you see here, X is the source and Y is the target. So it is printing in the X table and the Y table all the common columns. Now, in the left outer join, it will display the common and the extra present in the left table. So this record, if you see, this is the extra in your left table. That's why in the right table, it is populating as a NaN. In SQL, it displays as a null, but in Panda Python, it displays as a NaN, NaN. So it is present in your left table. It is not present in your right table. X is underscore X is denoting left, underscore Y is denoting right. Similar way in the right join, if you see, this is the record 106, which is present in the right table, which is my target table, but not present in my source table. So in the source, it is NaN, and in the target, it is populating as a data. So this is why you will able to automate your all the joinings inside your framework by the Panda. This was the most requested video, hence I have created for everyone. I will be putting the code in the comment section. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me. Stay tuned. Soon I'll be coming with the new videos on ETL automation testing. Till then, happy learning and come back with any questions. Thank you so much.